Hey guys, today I'm going to talk about what type of property to make money with, and I'm going to compare residential and commercial properties. Now obviously residential is the most popular, property to buy, units, houses. The advantages are, right, banks finance up to 95% of residential, easy to get finance for, pretty easy to find tenants, right? You can tenant them easily. They're also quite easy to sell because there's always a demand, especially if you buy in the median type of price range. Never buy a property that's actually, like a luxury type property, beachfront, because what happens is when the market has a downturn, those properties are affected the most and they're very hard to move. So buy something in the median price range, residential tenancy. The disadvantage, of course, is that very low rental returns, right? And you can also have problems with tenants, and interest rates can cause you to go up. But that's one type of property. The other one is commercial. Now commercial obviously has much higher rental returns, right? So you get more rent, right? And you can actually positively gear them. The disadvantage of commercial is that the capital gains isn't quite as big because your capital gains is directly related to the amount of rent that you get from the property. So obviously the higher the rent, the more the property is worth because it's calculated on a return basis for the money invested. Most commercial properties, you want to look at about a 10% return on your money. So if your interest rates are 5%, you're getting 10% rent, you're making 5% income on that property. The dangers of commercial properties, of course, is that when they become vacant, it's quite hard to get the tenants sometimes. So if there's a lot of vacancies, it's hard to rent, the rents go down, you might find that now you've got to subsidize the property. The advantage of commercial, of course, is also that the tenant pays all the outgoings, all the repairs, right? Unlike residential, where you've got to pay the repairs, if plumbing breaks, you pay it. In a commercial property, the tenant pays for everything. So it's actually a net return. So a commercial can be a great option, but as I said, the capital gains is only linked to the amount of rent you're getting, and if your property is vacant, guess what? It's virtually worth zero. So that's the downfall of it. I hope that's been helpful. Until next time, Peter Sun signing off. Hey guys, now if you want to get instant access to all my free videos, reports, case studies, and other useful tools in order to make money in the real estate business, please head over to our website right now. It's all there for you, absolutely free. Just go over there now.